Who says you need a full-scale renovation to make your home feel new? With just a few thoughtful updates, you can breathe fresh life into your space without breaking the bank or enduring the chaos of construction. Hi everyone, welcome to the Design SK Studio channel, where you can learn about design for better living. Please subscribe, share and like to support this channel, thank you. Ready to dive in? Let's explore some easy, impactful ways to update your home without remodeling, and why these changes make such a big difference. 1. Paint. Transform your space with color. A fresh coat of paint is one of the simplest and most effective ways to update your home. Whether you're experimenting with an accent wall, bold colors, or a calming, neutral palette, paint can completely transform the look and feel of a room. Paint will set the tone for a space. For example, bright colors energize, while soft hues create a serene atmosphere. Paint is cost-effective and relatively easy to do yourself, making it an ideal quick-fix solution. You can highlight architectural features or create visual interest with creative techniques like painting trims with different color. 2. Lighting. Illuminate your space with style. Updating your lighting can make an enormous difference. You can swap out dated fixtures for modern designs or add statement lamps to create a focal point. Layer your lighting with a mix of ambient, task, and accent lights to create depth. Good lighting design will affect mood and functionality. For example, warm ambient lighting makes a space feel cozy, while bright task lighting improves productivity. Statement or accent lighting can act as decor, adding character and sophistication to your home. Good lighting design will enhance the colors and textures in your space, making everything look better. 3. Wall art. Refresh your walls with creativity. Walls are a blank canvas waiting to tell a story. Hang new artwork, create a gallery wall of family photos, or display DIY crafts. Your creativity on the wall can make a big impact on the whole interior design. Wall art or wall decor will personalize your home, making it uniquely yours. Wall art or decor will add color, texture, and dimension to a room, enhancing its overall aesthetic. Try to rotate any art decor in your home to keep your space feeling dynamic and fresh. 4. Furniture arrangement. Reinvent your layout. Sometimes, the key to a refreshed space is simply rethinking how you arrange your furniture. Try to experiment with different layouts to find one that optimizes flow, function, and aesthetics. Just remember, rearranging furniture costs nothing, but can completely change how a room feels. A well-thought-out layout will improve functionality and maximizes space. Rearrange furniture is an opportunity to rediscover pieces you already own and showcase them differently. 5. Plants. Bring life into your home. Indoor plants are an easy way to add vibrancy and warmth to your home. From tiny succulents to towering fiddle-leaf figs, plants create visual interest and improve air quality. Indoor plants will connect your home to nature, reducing stress and boosting well-being. Indoor plants can also add texture and color, making your space feel more dynamic. A mix of sizes and styles can create a lush, layered look that's timeless. 6. Textiles. Update fabrics for a fresh look. Swapping out textiles like throw pillows, blankets, curtains, and rugs can give your home an instant makeover. Choose patterns and textures that complement your existing decor. During updating your home interior, textiles are an affordable way to experiment with trends or seasonal themes. Textiles can add layers of comfort and coziness to your space. Don't forget to also use rugs in particular that can anchor a room and tie all the elements together. 7. Hardware. Modernize your finishes. Replacing cabinet handles, drawer pulls, and doorknobs is a small change that makes a big impact. Opt for sleek, modern finishes or vintage-inspired designs, depending on your style. To update your kitchen, hardware is like jewelry for your home, small details that elevate the overall look. Replacing hardware is like a quick and budget-friendly way to modernize older furniture or cabinets. Try to replace old hardware with quality hardware, because it will give a touch of luxury and refinement to your kitchen decor. But mirrors expand and brighten your space. Mirrors aren't just practical, they're also powerful design tools. Use them to reflect light and make rooms feel larger and brighter. In the home interior decor update, mirrors can create an illusion of space, making small rooms feel more open. Mirrors can also amplify natural light, reducing the need for artificial lighting. Don't forget that decorative mirrors can also double as wall art, adding style and elegance. 9. Declutter, simplify and refresh. Sometimes the most transformative change is decluttering. Go through each room and remove items you no longer need or love. Organize what's left to create a clean, streamlined look. Just remember, clutter-free spaces feel larger, calmer, and more inviting. It has been known that decluttering helps you appreciate the items you truly value. And finally, a well-organized home is easier to maintain and more enjoyable to live in. Okay, you have it. And now these are the final thoughts. Updating your home doesn't have to mean tearing down walls or spending a fortune. With these simple changes, you can refresh your space, enhance its functionality, and make it uniquely yours. So grab that paintbrush, rearrange that furniture, and start transforming your home today. You'll be amazed at what a few thoughtful updates can do. Thank you for watching. Please support this channel by subscribing, liking, and sharing. Design SK Studio channel is the place where you can learn about design tutorials for better living. Please click your notifications bell so you won't miss other educational presentations. Thank you.